we're going to talk about all things bronzing and contouring using the Amrij Contour Me Now powder kit. Whenever you need to give an illusion of a false shadow on your face, you need to use a cooler toned brown. This shade from this palette is perfect. I'm going to take a little bit of this. I'm going to lift this area right above my ear, and this will sort of accentuate where the hollow of my cheek lies. So you place the brush right at the top of your ear and you pull the product inwards, and you see that. Now that you already have a beautiful shadow going for you, you can take this slightly warmer color and now you can just slightly bronze your complexion. You can hit all the areas where the sun would naturally hit your face. Let's talk about nose contouring. My nose isn't particularly wide, but it is long. So what I like to do is, I like to take, again, the cool tone brown. I like to pop some shadow right here, just to give my nose a slightly lifted effect. You can also contour your face to add a little bit of jump to your cheeks. I want to create a pocket effect right here so that my cheek looks like it has more volume than it does. I'm going to take again the slightly cool tone brown. I'm going to cup the apple of my cheek. How you contour your face is going to be unique only to you because nobody else has your features and nobody else has your bone structure. But if you know how to play with shades and shadow, and if you know how to blend colors together and use the right tones, you can actually get the most flawless result.